good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to learn grammar. In this grammar class, today we are going to learn voice. You learnt already. You learnt in 7th standard. But myself I am going to teach you once again today. There are two kinds of voice are there in English grammar. Which are those? Active voice and passive voice. Which are those? Active voice and passive voice. First, what is active voice? Are you remembering? Already I taught you. What is active voice? Remembering or not? What is active voice? Today we are going to first, I am going to explain in this video what is active voice and what is passive voice. I will teach you first. But before myself going to give you definition, I would like to ask some questions. Active and passive are totally opposite words are there. What is the opposite of active? Opposite of active is passive. Is it or not? What is opposite of active? Opposite of active is passive. There are two kinds of voice are there in English grammar. Which are those? Active and passive. Passive is opposite of active. Then first, what is active voice? For which sentence we are going to tell the sentence is in the active voice? Are you remembering? If you forgotten, let us learn once again. I am writing one sentence first. Before writing the sentence, I will tell the definition of active voice. When, listen here what I am telling. When the subject is door of an action. When the subject is door of an action, we may say the sentence is in the active voice. When the subject is door of an action, we say the sentence is in the active voice. Listen here. What I am writing on board. See, first I am going to explain you. Rama killed Ravana. How to find out the sentence is in the active voice? Listen now. When the subject is door of an action, we say the sentence is in active voice. Listen here what I said and what I am going to explain you. Active voice means what? Subject is door of an action. D-O-E-R, door of an action. What is active voice here? Subject is door of an action. I am going to explain now. What is subject? Which is the subject? Rama is the subject. In the subject, in the sentence, who is subject? Rama is the subject. Which is the verb? This is the verb. Which verb? Main verb. Now listen what I explained and what I told and how I am explaining. When the subject is door of an action, we say sentence is in active voice. See here. Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. Who is the subject? Rama is the subject. Who done action? Rama done action. Subject is door of an action. Subject doing action. Who done action? Rama done action. Which action done? Killing action done. To whom killed? To Ravana killed. When the subject is door of an action, subject is Rama. See here. Who done action? Rama done action. Which action done? Killing action done. To whom he killed? He killed to Ravana. When the subject is door of an action, we say sentence is in active voice. What we are telling at the time? We are telling that sentence is active voice sentence. How we can find out? We can tell that subject is the door of an action. Subject is doing something action here. Who is active in this sentence? Subject is active in this sentence. Rama is active in this sentence. Ravana nothing done. With on whom action over? Action over on Ravana. Who done that action? Rama done that action. Then which is the active character in the sentence? Subject is the active character in the sentence. Then what we came to know? See here, when the subject is the door of an action, we say the sentence is in active voice. What we are telling? We are going to tell at the time, we are going to tell that sentence is in active voice. Now what is passive voice? Dead opposite of active voice. Is it or not? See, subject is door of an action. You can imagine now how it is opposite. See here, what is a passive voice now? When something happened to the object by subject. When something happened to the object by subject, we may say the sentence is in passive voice. When, listen, I will explain that one also. When something happened to the object, this is the object. When something happened to the object by subject, we are going to tell that sentence is in the passive voice. Then this sentence here, which is object? Ravana. Ravana. This is little means we are going to tell it was. Ravana was killed. Passive voice always following V3 form of the verb. You know it well. Ravana was killed by Rama. Action over here only again. Who done that action? Rama done. Something happened to object. Happened here. What happened? Ravana killed. By whom? Ravana killed by Rama. When something is going to happen by subject to the object, we are going to tell that the sentence is in the passive voice. See here, what I am writing in the short. Something happened to object by subject. Correct or not? See here. Something happened. What happened? Killed. Who killed? Object killed. By whom? By the subject. Then what we came to know? See here. In active voice, subject is the door of an action. Subject is the door of an action. Door spelling, you don't write D-O-O-R. Door spelling is D-O-E-R. What is door spelling? D-O-E-R. In active voice, subject is the door of an action. And what is a passive voice? In the passive voice, something happened to the object by the subject. So, what we came to know, there are two types of voice are there in English grammar. Those are active voice and passive voice. Active and passive are opposite words to each other. These are the opposite words to each other. So, the definition of active voice and passive voice also totally reverse to each other. Important thing in today's video is active voice, subject is the door of an action, and passive voice, something happened to object by the subject. In today's class, this is enough. I will meet you with I will meet you in the next video with remaining part of voice. Till then, take care.